You know they had to do that because there's so many people moving in here.
Yeah.
Oh, no headlights.
Ooh, that would have been bad.
Tak pes karantinai.
Non ho detto che per a testa.
والله ما حصلت فانزابين دولار اليوم.
شو برادرك؟
والله
Just freeze.
Fire.
Yes. Like, they just did it. He doesn't even know.
He's got it.
Offensive coordinator Byron Leftwich, among others. The Giants requested an interview with Cardinals VP and player personnel Quentin Harris for the team's general manager job. Harris is a former Giants safety. He's been working closely with Cardinals general manager Steve Keim, managing the college and pro personnel departments in Arizona.
What did you say to me?
Do you know how many kids die on that road because of what you just did?
What did I do?
You went out in the middle of the thing.
It was a passing lane. My pass was legal.
Sir, but there's cars coming. There's teenagers driving. You were right behind the car.
Why do you care?
Because I've watched.
It's my responsibility.
Yeah, but
when I seek it.
We're behind you.
Okay.
Before that, you were.
Don't stop from behind.
Did we hit him?
No.
You're driving on the wrong side of the road?
Then get out of the car and tell me that.
You're
Dumb
driving.
son of a it's a fucking turn.
Don't drive on the wrong side of the
I
road.
will pull you out the fucking car and beat the out of you.
Go ahead.
Honk the fucking horn again and see what happens.
I'm good.
Honk the fucking horn, you little pussy.
Why don't you get out of the road?
Why don't you get out of the fucking car?
I'm not a caveman. I don't need to do that.
Because you're a pussy, that's why.
Berkeley County 911. What's the address of the emergency?
7 Farms Drive, turning on to Island Park Drive.
Okay. And did you need police, fire, or EMS?
Police.
I see it. Hold on, let me bring Charleston on the line with us for their jurisdiction.
Thank you.
Trav.
No, how you guys doing today?
Pretty good, pretty good. Well, me, Trav, you know I got hair now, just in case you know that. I went to the North Atlanta hair restoration, and I got some hair.
I didn't know that. Congratulations.
Yeah, I got me some hair now, Trav. Yeah, because, you know, I mean, I got hair now. I got hair. I just wanted to share.
As somebody without hair, I can appreciate how excited you sound.
36 to 75 months from K Motors Finance and approved credit for purchase of a new 2021 Sportage for qualified buyers. $13.33 per month per 1,000 financed at 75 months. No down payment required. Subject to dealer participation. Must take delivery by 3/1/21. A SunTrust.
Why didn't you stop? Yes, it was me. Me.
Honestly, I had no idea.
DSC 101.5 KGB is San Diego's classic rock, kicking off the new year with another chance for you to win.
It's 2 lanes, dude. There's no rush. What the f*** is your deal anyway? He's like, no, you cannot be in front of me. I will not let you. Whatever, man. I'm. Knock yourself out, Deb. Bye bye. What is your damage? Like, you're just desperate to race me.